Welcome to the Trading Machine, your ultimate robot development environment. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the editor page, where you create, backtest, and refine your trading strategies. At the top, you'll find the toolbar packed with tools to kickstart your trading ideas. Let's explore each button. The new button generates a fresh, empty strategy ready for you to write your magic. Click Open to browse your existing strategies and explore public ones for inspiration. With Copy, you can duplicate any strategy to use as a foundation for your new ideas. The Optimize button launches the Strategy Optimizer, testing multiple parameter combinations to find the most profitable setups. Use Run All to execute your strategy against multiple datasets for a comprehensive analysis. Click Builder for a visual interface that simplifies strategy creation without coding. Easily adjust the screen size and font size for maximum comfort while working. Customize your backtest environment with the dataset selector, candle size selector, commissions, and cash fields. Finally, click Backtest to run your strategy on the selected dataset and candle size, producing immediate results. The main workspace is divided into two panels, the Code Editor panel and the Backtest Results panel. The Code Editor panel is a full Ruby editor where you craft your trading strategies using powerful DSL commands. Your creativity drives the code. Once your strategy is ready, review the results in the Backtest Results panel, which includes several insightful tabs. In the Summary tab, review a performance chart and key metrics like profit and loss. The Chart tab overlays trades and indicators on a candle chart, helping you visualize strategy execution. Explore the Orders tab for a detailed list of orders placed during the backtest. The Trades tab showcases all completed trades, including entry and exit details. Check the Console tab for backtest logs, debugging insights, and runtime messages. Finally, in the Parameters tab, see all user input parameters used during the backtest. Here's how it all comes together. Write your strategy, select your dataset and candle size, and click Backtest. Instantly, see your results and refine your approach. With the Trading Machine, turning ideas into powerful trading robots has never been easier. Now it's your turn to create, backtest, and optimize. Good luck, and happy trading!